Hi everyone, we're going to find the value of square root of x plus 1 divided by square root of x when x plus 1 divided by x equals 0. So basically let's look at what we have. First of all, this is what we have to find the value of. And that means our x has to be positive for our domain because we can't divide by 0. And also it has to be, the square root of 0 would be 0 as well. So it has to be greater than 0. All right, and I can also write this as x to the power of 1/2 plus x to the power of negative 1/2. All right, and to get this value, what I'm going to do is take this and square both sides. So if I square x to the power of 1/2 plus x to the power of negative 1/2 and square it, I'm going to use this formula here, and that's going to give me x, when you square this part, plus 2 times x to the power of 1/2 times x to the power of negative 1/2, and then plus, when you square this, you're going to get x to the power of negative 1. All right, this part here equals 1 because you have x to the power of 1/2 minus 1/2 equals x to the power of 0. That equals 1. So basically we have x plus 2 plus x to the power of negative 1. Now, this is going to, I can rewrite this as x plus 1 divided by x, and I know this equals 7, right? So we have this plus 2, and then so that means since we're adding 2 to this, I'm going to add 2 to my 7, right? Because when you add 2 to both sides. All right, so we're going to get 9. Now, so that's what this is, x to the power of 1/2 plus x to the power of negative 1/2 squared. So if you square root both sides, and this equals 9, so if you square root both sides, you're going to get x equals to the power of 1/2 plus x to the power of negative 1/2 equals plus or minus 3. But we have to have x is positive, so we're only going to take the 3. All right. Therefore, when you rewrite this, we're going to have square root of x plus 1 divided by square root of x, which is this piece, equals 3. We have to disregard the negative 3 because x has to be positive. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.